Hi guys, welcome to today's session, and today we are going to discuss about Accelerate Vigyan scheme. And in this session, we'll first discuss brief about the AV scheme, that is Accelerate Vigyan, and then we'll discuss how it will work, and then we'll discuss what are the components of AV scheme, and it is being launched by Science and Engineering Board. So we'll discuss a brief about Science and Engineering Board SERB also. So this is how I plan this session. Let's now start. Accelerate Vigyan scheme strives to provide a big push to high-end scientific research and prepare scientific manpower which can venture into research careers and knowledge-based economy. The primary objective of this scheme is to give more thrust on encouraging high-end scientific research and preparing scientific manpower which can lead to research careers and knowledge-based economy. And the scheme will initiate and strengthen mechanisms of identifying research potential, mentoring, training and hands-on workshop on a national scale. And the aim is to expand the research base in the country with three broad goals, that are consolidation and aggregation of all scientific training programs, initiation of high-end orientation workshop, and creating opportunities for research internships. So this is the basic idea of Accelerate Vigyan scheme. Now we will see how this scheme is going to work. So this will work on a mission mode, particularly with respect to component dealing with consolidation, aggregation of all major scientific events in the country. Thus, an inter-ministerial overseeing committee involving all scientific ministries and departments and a few other have been constituted for the purpose of supporting SERB, that is we have discussed in the initial part, the Science and Research Engineering Board. And so this interministerial overseeing committee supporting SERB in implementing the Accelerate Vigyan scheme in a successful manner. And the database of skilled manpower developed across different disciplines so generated, and the final outcomes captured in the process through all subcomponents of Accelerate Vigyan will serve the cause of all stakeholders in respect of capacity building in the country. And also the scheme seeks to garner the social responsibility of scientific community in the country. So this is the basic idea about the working of this scheme. Now we will see what are the components of Accelerate Vigyan scheme. The first component is Abhyas. It is an attempt to boost research and development in the country by enabling and grooming potential PG and that is postgraduate and PhD students by means of developing their research skills in selected areas across the different disciplines or fields. And also this Abhyas component of Accelerate Vigyan has got two components, that are Karyashala, which is high-end workshops, and Vritika, that is research internships. So this is especially important for those researchers who have limited opportunities to access such learning capacities, facilities and infrastructures. So that is about Abhyas. Then we have next component of Accelerate Vigyan scheme, that is Samuhan, which marks the beginning of Accelerate Vigyan. It aims to encourage and aggregate and consolidate all scientific interactions in the country under one common roof. And this Samohan has been subdivided into two, that is Sayojniya and Sangoshti. Sayojniya is an open-ended program to catalog the capacity building activities in science and technology supported by all government funding agencies in the country. And Sangoshti is the pre-existing program of SERB. So these are the two important components of Accelerate Vigyan scheme. And now we have discussed that this scheme Accelerate Vigyan is being launched by Science and Engineering Board SERB. We'll see few details about SERB also. So Science and Engineering Research Board is a statutory body under Department of Science and Technology, Ministry of Science and Technology, and it was established by Parliament of India in 2009. So always remember that it is a statutory body, and it is chaired by Secretary to Government of India in the Department of Science and Technology, and has other senior government officials and eminent scientists as members. And it was set up for promoting basic research in science and engineering, and to provide financial assistance to scientists, academic institutions, research and development laboratories, industrial concerns, and other agencies for such research. So this is an important organization. So please study about this, and always remember that it is a statutory body. So that's all about this particular topic, guys. It's a very important scheme. Please study about this, especially always remember about the components of Accelerate Vigyan scheme. And so that's all. We will meet tomorrow with another topic. Thank you for watching this lesson.